Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit how to receive money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To send money, the first thing that you need to do is knowing the sending details. Before anything, ask the sender to send you the country the money is coming from, the receipt method like cash pickup, bank deposit or mobile wallet, your name, mobile number or bank info as required, and most importantly, the transfer reference number. This unique number lets you collect the money. Next step is to watch for notifications. After the sender completes the transfer, you will receive an SMS or email with the transfer status. It often tells you when money is ready to receive. And next step is to choose how to receive the money. WorldRemit lets you get money in different ways depending on your country. First option is cash pickup. If this method is used, go to the local WorldRemit partner location, give your ID plus your transfer reference number, and they will give you cash. And cash is usually available within minutes after sending. And next option is bank transfer. If the sender chooses a bank deposit, the money will be credited directly to your bank account. It depends on your country and local bank. Most times it's fast, but sometimes it may take a little longer. Then next option is mobile money or wallet. Some countries separate money sent directly into your mobile wallet like M-Pesa, GCash, etc. If the money goes to your wallet, it will appear automatically. You may need to sign into your mobile money app to check your balance. Note that if you don't have a digital wallet yet, you may need to sign up first so the money isn't returned to the sender. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.